Hello guys, welcome back to Fresher Bee. In today's video, we'll talk about the latest off-campus placement drive from Hawkins. Hawkins is hiring for multiple roles, so we'll see all the detailed information regarding this placement drive and what are the roles they are offering, what CTC they are offering to all the multiple roles, and how to apply. We'll see all this kind of information in this video in detail. So if you are new to the channel, then please don't forget to subscribe, as I come up with these kind of videos daily, so please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and please watch the video till the end so that you can get a complete idea about this Hawkins placement drive and you can apply easily. I'll provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. You can just visit that link and just apply for this job. So we'll see the further information about this drive in this video. So Hawkins is basically hiring for multiple roles, so we'll see all these roles and areas in one by one. So the very first area is like the area of sales and marketing. So here they have given the information such as may be posted in important towns in various parts of India. The job involves traveling intensively, managing dealers and modern retail and achieving sales targets. So this is a mainly sales and marketing job. And the next is accounts and commercial. So they have mentioned a brief information about this role, that is jobs in internal audit, costing, corporate accounts, budgeting and control, factory accounts and commercial operations, and they're expecting good understanding of accountancy and spreadsheets is desirable. Like they are expecting good understanding of accountancy from the candidates. And third will be human resource, that is HR. Jobs in training and manpower development, recruitment, appraisal management and factory HR. And next will be legal. So in legal they have mentioned knowledge of industrial relations, intellectual property, legal metrology, labor laws, contracts and commercial law will be useful. And next will be executive assistant to senior management. And then after in technical and engineering sector, so they are offering diploma holders, engineering graduates and postgraduates needed in mechanical, electrical, civil, tool design and manufacture, product design, industrial engineering, material science or robotics. So these are all the fields they will be accepting the applications from for technical and engineering field. And the next field is of programmers. So they are expecting good practical knowledge of one or more of the following needed, that is C++, C#, SQL, Visual Basic, Java, HTML, Python, ASP and Android. So these are all the skills they are expecting from their candidates. So this is a very good opportunity for all the candidates such as freshers. Even if you are experienced candidate, even though you can apply, and even freshers are eligible for this drive. So please go to that link I'll provide in the description box of this video. So just go to that link and click on the link, so you'll be just redirected to the official page of Hawkins. There you will get this page. So select any of the field you are willing to apply. I'll show you by applying to one job from all these sections they have given here. So after clicking on the apply button, you'll get this page. Here you have to fill all the detailed information like job applied for, that is programmers. You have to fill your name, your age, your mobile number, your email ID. And here the sixth section is upload your biodata, that is maximum file upload size is 10 MB. After choosing click the max upload size of the file is 10 MB. So you have to upload your biodata here. And in 7 they have mentioned like upload handwritten notes, reasons why I am interested in this job. So you have to handwrite all the reasons like why I am interested in this job, and make a PDF file of all that reasons and upload that file here. And next you have to just verify your mobile number, that they'll send a OTP on your phone. So just verify your mobile number. And here they have given some other information, like if you have sent a physical application, you don't need to upload online application form. That is, if you have already applied for the same in physical way, then just don't apply online. And one person should upload one application only. And third, make sure you have followed all the instructions including signing your application. If you are facing difficulties while applying online, please try after some time. So if you are having some problem, just try the same thing after some time. So in this way we have seen all the detailed information regarding this Hawkins placement drive. So I'll provide the link for the same in the description box of the video. If you are willing to apply, just go to that link. And the CTC they are hiring for this job will be like during training period they'll provide a CTC of 8 to 10 lakhs, and once you are confirmed, then they'll provide you based on your performance about 10 to 12 lakh. So even they are hiring a good package too. So please go to that link and apply for any of these roles. So I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get all the information regarding such placement drives daily. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.